Hi students, welcome to online classes. So see that one in the transformations level 2. In the previous class we are completed that question number 39. So we are going to continue that question number 40. So see that question students, what is the question number 40 is. So in that question they are given the two statements. So the first statement is, what is the first statement? Cos 6 degrees sin 24 degrees cos 72 degrees is equal to 1 by 8 and what is the second statement is, the second statement is cos 12 degrees cos 24 degrees cos 36 cos 48 cos 72 degrees cos 84 degrees is equal to 1 by 64. So see that one here students, what we will do that. So first I will take that this one statement 1. So this is equal to 1 by 8. So see this one, what I will do that, I will verify this condition. Cos 6 sin 24 degrees cos 72 degrees is equal to cos 6 degrees sin 24 degrees. Sin theta you can written as a cos 90 minus theta, yes or no? Cos 90 minus theta. So this value you can written as 90 minus 24 is nothing but it will become that cos 66 degrees into cos 72 degrees So that is equal to cos 6 cos 54 degrees cos 66 degrees whole by cos 54 degrees into cos 72 degrees. So what I am did that, just I am multiplied and divided with cos of 54. Why I am multiplied and divided? So here it is in the form of cos 6 into cos 54 degrees. 54 degrees is nothing but a 60 minus 6 degrees into cos 66. What is the cos 66? 60 plus 60 degrees by cos 54 into cos 72. Cos 72 you can written as sin, cos convert into the sin. So cos 72 you can write as a sin 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72 it will become sin 18. Cos 72 and sin 18 both are same. So here what is the formula? I am already given this. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta. It will become that cos 3 theta. That is a 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. So that is nothing but 1 by 4 into cos 3 into 6 degrees by cos 54 degrees into sin 18 degrees. So here 1 by 4 into, so this value is nothing but cos 18 degrees, this is nothing but sin 18 degrees by cos 54 degrees. In the numerator I will do that one, I will multiply and divide with 2, it will become that 2 sin 18 degrees into cos 18 degrees by cos 54, cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. So it will become that sin of 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 is nothing but 36 degrees. So that is equal to 1 by 8 into 2 sin theta cos theta formula. 2 sin theta cos theta formula is a sin 2 theta. So it will become that sin of 2 into 18 is a 36 degrees by sin 36 degrees. It will become that 1 by 80. That is the 1 by 8. So see that one students. cos 6, sin 24, cos 72. Sin 24 I am converted into cos 66. Why? Because sin theta can be written as a cos 90 minus 24 is it will become 66 degrees. And this cos 72 you can written as cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus 72, it will become sin 18 degrees. Here I am multiplied and divided with the cos 54. Multiplied and divided with the cos 54. This is in the form of cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta. So it can be taken it as 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. So this is sin 18 and it is a cos 18. So I need a 2. So that's why I multiplied and divided with 2. It will become that 1 by 8 into 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but a sin 2 theta. It will become sin 36 degrees. By sin 36 degrees, you can cancel the both. You will get a 1 by 8. So statement 1 is a correct one. Statement 1 is a correct. What is the statement they are given? That is the correct one. Okay. All are understood that? So see what is the second condition is? What is the second one? What is the second one? This is the second condition. What it is a true or not? We can check that. So see this one, students. Cos 12, cos 24, cos 36, cos 48, cos 72, cos 84. So what I will take that? I will take that one. I will take a cos 12. Next cos 48. Next cos 72. So these are three terms. I will take that first. So see this one, cos 12, cos 48 degrees, cos 72 degrees into remaining values. What is the remaining is? So cos 24 degrees into cos 36 degrees into cos 84 degrees. So I am taken the total 6 terms is given. I am taken the 3 pairs. Okay. So that is equal to cos 12, cos 48. Cos 48 is nothing but a cos 60 minus 12. 72 is nothing but a cos 60 plus 12 into what is this? This is also same, cos 24. Cos 60 minus 24, cos 60 plus 24, cos 60 plus 24, cos 60 plus 24. Are you understand that? So this is the one and this is the one. So what is this formula, students? Already know the formulas. What is that? Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta is nothing but 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. So that is nothing but a cos 3 into 12 is nothing but a 36 degrees into what is this? This is also same. So it will become that 1 by 4 into cos 3, that is 3 theta, that is nothing but a 3 into 24, that is nothing but 72, that is nothing but a cos 72 degrees, cos 72 degrees. So what happens, students? So that is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is a 1 by 16 into cos 36. What is the cos 36 is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 4, root 5 plus 1 by 4 into cos 72. Cos 72 is nothing but a sin 18. What is the sin 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 16. Here a plus b into a minus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square by 16. So that is nothing but 1 by 16 into here 5 minus 1 by 6, that is nothing but 4 by 16. So that is nothing but 1 by 4. So that is nothing but 1 by 64. 1 by 64. So that meaning is the second statement is also correct. What is the second statement is? That is the 1 by 64. So second statement is also correct. So this statement is also correct. So what is the solution, students? Both 1 and 2 are correct. So that is the option is third option. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Are you understand that? So take the 3 pairs and take the 3 pairs here. So you will get a 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 16. Cos 36 is the root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 72. Cos 72 is nothing but a sin 18. Sin 18 is nothing but a root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, students. So see that question, students. See the next question. Question number 41. So see that question, students. 16 sin 144 degrees sin 108 degrees sin 72 degrees sin 36 degrees. 16 into sin 144, sin 108, sin 72 and sin 36 degrees. Okay. So see this one question, students. So what we will do that first, 16 into sin 144 you can written as 180 minus 36 degrees, and sin 108 you can written as sin of 90 plus 18 degrees, and sin 72 you can written as sin 90 minus 18 degrees and sin 36 degrees and sin 36 degrees. So see this one, 1 by 16 into sin 180 minus theta is a sin theta, sin 90 plus theta is a cos theta, sin 90 minus theta is the cos theta, and sin 36 degrees, sin 36 degrees. So what I will do that one, this 16 I will written that 4 into 4 sin square 36 degrees, 36 into sin 36 into sin 36, sin square 36 into cos square 18 degrees. So why I am taking this 4 into 4? So see this one, this can be written as 4 into 2 sin 36 into cos 18 degrees. Yes or no? So this is the whole square. So 4 into, it is in the form of 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is nothing but a sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So that is nothing but sin of A plus B is nothing but a 36 plus 18. So that is nothing but a 54 sin of 54 degrees plus sin of A minus B is nothing but 18 degrees. Sin 54 plus sin 18 degrees. So that is nothing but 4 into sin 54 and cos 36 both are same. Sin 54 and cos 36 both are same. That value is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4 plus sin 18. Sin 18 is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So what I will do that one, 4 into, take the LCM is the 4, root 5 plus 1 plus root 5 minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled, students. You will get that 4 into 2 root 5 by 4. You can cancel the value here. So that is a root 5 by 2 whole square. Root 5 by 2 whole square is nothing but, so that is nothing but a 4 into 5 by 4. So 4 will be cancelled. 4 will be cancelled. You will get that the value is 5. The value is 5. So see that question, students. What is the answer? So the answer is 1. Option 1 is the answer. So see that one, students. All are understood that? So see that question. See the next question, question number 42. So see that question, students. What is the question number 42? Cos 6 theta plus 6 cos 3 theta plus 15 cos 2 theta plus 10 by cos 5 theta plus 5 cos 3 theta plus 10. So see the answers, sin theta, cos theta and 2 sin theta and 2 cos theta. So I will give you the theta value in the given question and I will substitute the theta value in the answers also. It is easy to verify the answer. Okay. So see this one here. I am not taking the theta is equal to 90. Why? Because if theta is a 90, then cos theta will become the 0. So in the options you will get a 2 answers. Okay. So that's why I don't take the theta equal to 90. So what I will take, theta is equal to 0. So theta is 0 degrees, meaning is cos 0 is 1. Okay. So I will start that. Put theta is equal to 0 degrees. Put theta equal to 0 degrees. If theta is 0, then what happens? So see this question, students. So that is nothing but cos 0 is a 1 plus 6 into cos 0 is a 1 plus 15 into cos 0 is a 1 plus 10 by cos 0 is a 1 plus 5 into cos 0 is a 1 plus 10. So what happens, students? So that is nothing but 1 plus 6 plus 15 plus 10 by 1 plus 5 plus 10. So that is equal to, in the numerator, see that one. So 15 plus 6 is the 21, 21 plus 1 is the 22 plus 10 is nothing but 32 by 10, 15 plus 1, that is nothing but 16. So the answer is 2. So you have to substitute this theta value in the options, in the 4 options. Okay. So what is the answer you will get? That is the correct one. Okay. So check that one. What is the options are here? So the first option is second, 3 and the 4. So what is the first option is sin theta. First one is the sin theta and the second one is the cos theta and third one is the 2 sin theta. So fourth one is the 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta by verification. By verification I am going to substitute the answers here. So the first one is sin theta. So sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. 2 sin theta, that is nothing but 2 into sin 0 is 0. So it will become 0. So here 2 into cos 0 is 1. So only one option is there. So you are getting the 2. So what is the option is? Option 4 is the answer. Are understand that? So therefore answer is option 4 is the answer. Option 4 is the answer. Okay, students. So see that question, how to verify the answers. Okay. See the next question. What is the question number 43? So see that question, students. What is the question number 43 is? So question number 43, sin pi by 4, sin pi by 4, sin 3 pi by 4, sin 3 pi by 4, sin 5 pi by 4, sin 5 pi by 4, sin 7 pi by 4, sin pi by 4, sin pi by 4, sin 3 pi by 4, sin 5 pi by 4 and sin 7 pi by 4. Okay, students. So see these values. So that is nothing but sin pi by 4, sin pi by 4 into sin 3 pi by 4 you can written as pi minus pi by 4. Why? Because see this one. So 3 pi you can written as 4 pi minus pi by 4. So if we can divide that, it will become pi minus pi by 4. So 5 pi by 4, how can you written this one? Sin of pi plus pi by 4. How can you written this one? Sin of 2 pi minus pi by 4. Sin of 2 pi minus pi by 4. Okay. So see this one here. So what I will do that? Sin pi by 4 into sin 180 minus theta is the sin theta. So that value is also will become sin pi by 4. Sin pi plus meaning is it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant sin is negative. So it will become that minus sin pi by 4. Sine 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus meaning is it is in the fourth quadrant. Yes or no? So this is the 2 pi. 2 pi minus meaning it is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. So I will take that minus sine pi by 4. Minus sine pi by 4. So that is nothing but sine pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4 1 by root 2 into minus 1 by root 2 into minus 1 by root 2. So what happens, students? 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 it will become 2. Minus of minus it will become plus. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, that is also 2. So the total 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So the total value will become that 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students? 1 by 4, that is the option 2 is the answer. Okay. So see that question. See the question number 44. So what is the question number 44 is? So see that question, students. Cos 20 degrees and cos 100 degrees plus cos 100 into cos 140 degrees minus cos 140 degrees into cos 200 degrees. So this is the question, students. So how to solve this one? So see that. So this is equal to what I will apply that. So already know that 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B is nothing but cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So that's why I need 2. Okay. So if you need 2, you have to multiply and divide with 2. So what I will do that one? I will divide with 2 entire term and I will multiply the entire term. So what it will become that? It will become that 1 by 2 into cos 20 degrees into cos 100 degrees plus 2 into cos 100 degrees into cos 140 degrees minus 2 into cos 140 degrees into cos 200 degrees. I am multiplied and divided with 2. Okay. So after getting this is the formula 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. A value you have to take the big one and B value is the least value you have to take the B. Okay. So here 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B is nothing but A plus B is nothing but 120 degrees plus cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. So that is nothing but a cos 80 degrees. You have to take this is A and this is a B. Or understand that? Otherwise you will get a minus and you have to take one more step extra. Cos of minus theta will become the cos theta only. So that's why I am taking that cos 80 degrees plus 2 cos A cos B. Once again cos of A plus B is nothing but a 240 degrees plus cos of A minus B. So that is nothing but the cos of 140 minus 100 is nothing but a 40 degrees. And minus here. So 2 cos A cos B, once again cos of A plus B is nothing but a 340 degrees plus cos of 200 minus 140 is nothing but a 60 degrees. I understand that. So here 1 by 2 into what is the terms, already you know the values. So cos 120 is nothing but a minus 1 by 2 plus cos 80 degrees plus, that is the cos 120. Cos 120 is a minus 1 by 2 plus cos 40 degrees minus cos 340 degrees. Apply the minus, students, apply the minus. Cos 60 is a 1 by 2, apply the minus, it will become that minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. What happens here? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. It will become that minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus cos 80 degrees plus cos 40 degrees minus cos 340 degrees minus cos of 340 degrees. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 remains the same. I will apply the formula here. Cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D. What is the formula, students? Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. So apply this formula, students. So what you will get, that cos C plus cos D, it will become that 2 into cos of C plus D is a 140, 80 plus 40 is a 120, 120 by 2 is a 60 degrees, into cos of A minus B by 2, 80 minus 40, 80 minus 40 is nothing but a 40, 40 by 2 is nothing but a cos 20 degrees, minus this cos 340 you can written as 360 minus 20 degrees. Cos 340, just I am written the 360 minus 20, 360 minus 20, 360 minus 20 is a 340, yes or no? Why? Because if you get this value, cos of 360 minus theta form you will get, that's why I am written in this form. So what happens? That is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 2 into cos 60 is a 1 by 2 into cos 20 minus cos 180 cos 2 pi minus theta in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant cos is a positive, so it will get the same sign. So what is the minus is there, you will get the same. So it will become that cos 20 degrees, cos 20 degrees. So here 2 to 1 by 2 and 2 will be cancelled. You will get 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into cos 20 minus cos 20 degrees. So cos 20 and minus cos 20 will be cancelled. You will get that 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. So the answer is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Okay. So see that question, students. See the next question, question number 45. So what is the question number 45? See that question, students. So tan theta 1 is equal to k into cot theta 2, cot theta 2. So tan theta 1 is equal to k into cot theta 2. So then they are asking the question, cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos theta 1 plus theta 2. Cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay. So see this question, students, how to solve this one. So first take this one. What is the given condition is tan theta 1 is equal to k into cot theta 2. So this can be written as tan theta 1 is equal to k into cot theta 2, not a theta by 2, it is a theta 2 actually. So this can be written as a tan theta 2. So this is that implies k is equal to tan theta 1 into theta 2. So k is equal to tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. I will take that reciprocals. 1 by k is equal to 1 by tan theta 1 tan theta 2. So use componendo and dividendo formula. So a by b is equal to c by d form is there. So use the componendo dividendo formula. What is that? A plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. So what happens? 1 plus k by 1 minus k is equal to 1 plus tan theta 1 tan theta 2 by 1 minus tan theta 1 and tan theta 2. I am already given this formula. 1 plus tan A tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is nothing but cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos theta 1 plus theta 2. Otherwise, you can do one more step also. What is that? So that implies 1 plus k by 1 minus k. You can directly take a cos theta 1 minus cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 plus theta 2. This is the formula I am already given in the first. Otherwise, I will do that simplification also. Okay. So this tan theta and this value I will take into the cos. So what happens? That is equal to 1 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 by cos theta 1 cos theta 2 by, in the denominator, 1 minus, this is also same, sin theta 1 by cos theta 1 into sin theta 2 by cos theta 2. What you can take the LCM here? Cos theta 1 cos theta 2. If you can take the LCM in the numerator and denominator, what you will get and cancel these two values, students. So take the LCM and cancel the denominators. So what you will get that? That implies 1 plus k by 1 minus k is equal to, take the LCM, so it will become that cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 by cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2. So that implies 1 plus k by 1 minus k is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A minus B. It will become that cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A plus B. So it will become that theta 1 plus theta 2. So that is nothing but that the value they are asking, cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 plus theta 2. That is the value is 1 plus k by 1 minus k. 1 plus k by 1 minus k. Are you understand, students? So see that question. So see the question number 46. So in this question they are given the two statements. See that question, students. So first statement is cos theta cos 300 minus theta into cos 300 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. And the second statement is, tan theta into tan 60 minus theta tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta. Tan theta, tan 60 minus theta and tan 60 plus theta is. So see this question, students, how to solve this one. These two statements are correct or not. Already you know these formulas directly, but here I will give you the proof also. Okay. So see that one, how to solve this type of questions. Okay. So first see this one. First I will take this condition. So cos theta cos 300 minus theta into cos 300 plus theta is equal to. So you have the formula cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. You have two formulas. You can write that cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B. Otherwise, you can write that cos square B minus sin square A. You can use this form or this form. Are you understand that? Cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A also. So I will use the second formula, that is the cos square B minus sin square A. Okay. So here what I will do that. So this is equal to cos theta into cos of A plus B cos of A minus B. You can write the cos square B minus sin square A. So cos square B value is theta minus sin square A. So sin square A value is 300 degrees. So this can be written as cos theta into cos square theta minus sin 300. Sin 300 is nothing but sin of 360 minus 60 degrees whole square. So that is nothing but a cos theta into cos square theta minus sin 90 cos 360 minus theta. It is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant sin is negative, so it will become that minus sin 60 whole square. So that is equal to cos theta into cos square theta minus sin 60 whole square. Sin 60 is the root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 whole square is nothing but 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Are understanding that minus root 3 by 2 whole square is the 3 by 4. And take the LCM 4 here. So what you will get that? So if you can take the 4 LCM, it will become that cos theta into, take the LCM here, 4 cos square theta minus 3 by 4. So and take this 4 inside and take this 4 outside, you will get a 1 by 4 into 4 cos cube theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So what it will become, students? What is that formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is nothing but cos 3 theta. So statement 1 is the correct one. Statement 1 is the correct. I understand that. So already I am giving the synopsis is this, but this is the proof. Okay. So see that one. That is also. So this is also I am given that. What is that sin theta? Sin 60 minus theta. Sin 60 plus theta. What they are given? So 1 by 4 into tan 3 theta. 1 by 4 into tan 3 theta. So they are asking this statement is correct or not. Okay. This statement is correct or not. We will check that condition here. I will take that first. What I will take that? Tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta. So what happens? So that is equal to tan theta into, so already I know that formula, tan of a minus b, tan of a minus b. What is the tan of a minus b formula, students? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Yes or no? So here what it will become, that tan a, tan 60 is root 3 minus tan b is theta by 1 plus tan 60 is the root 3 tan a into tan b. Tan b is nothing but tan theta. So similarly apply the same formula for the second one also. What you will get that? It is also same formula, tan of a plus b. So apply the formula, tan of a plus b formula is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So you can apply the formula here. Tan a is a root 3 plus tan b is nothing but a theta by 1 minus tan a is a root 3, tan b is a tan theta. I understand that. So that is equal to tan theta into multiply the terms here. What we will get that? So a minus b into a plus b. So that is nothing but a square minus b square, a square minus b square by, in the denominators also same model is there, students. It is the a plus b, it is the a minus b. So what is that? A square minus b is nothing but root 3 into tan theta whole square. So that is equal to tan theta into 3 minus tan square theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So take this tan theta inside, it will become that 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, tan 3 tan theta minus tan theta into tan square theta is a tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So this is nothing but tan 3 theta. So the statement true, statement 2 is not is not true. Statement 1 is true, but the statement 2 is not true. Why? Because they are given 1 by 4 into tan 3 theta, but what you got, that is the tan 3 theta only. Okay, so that's why the statement 2 is false. So see that one, what is the option is only 1 is true, second option is only 2 is true, third option is both 1 and true, fourth question is neither 1 nor true. So the statement is only first one is true. Okay, so option is 1. So see the next question, students. Question number 47. So what is the question number 47? A plus B is equal to C. A plus B is equal to C. Then they are asking cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equal to minus 2 cos A cos B cos C. 2 cos A cos B cos C. So they are giving that options 1, 2, 0 and 4. Okay. So see this question, students. You can verify the answers by giving the condition A plus B is equal to C. A plus B is equal to C. So you can take A equal to 30 and B is equal to 60 and C is the 90. You can verify the answer. Otherwise we can take the direct form also. Okay, so you can verify that. I will give you that points. A equal to 30 and B is the 60 and C is the 90. Okay, so check that condition and I will do the procedure here. So how to get the answer is, okay. So see that one. So first I will take that given this condition is given that. So I will take only this form. So cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equal to, already given A plus B plus C is equal to C, A plus B equal to C. I am taken only first three terms, cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. So here I will take that cos square A plus, this is cos square B, I can written 1 minus sin square B plus cos square C. So this one I will written in the front plus I will take these two terms, cos square A minus sin square B plus cos square C. So that is equal to 1 plus cos square A minus sin square B is nothing but cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B plus cos square C. So already they are given A plus B value is a C. So we can substitute this value here. So that is equal to 1 plus cos C into cos of A minus B plus cos square C. So 1 plus, from these two terms we can take the cos C common. So it is a cos C out. It will become that cos of A minus B plus cos C. So that is equal to 1 plus cos C into cos of A minus B plus, in the place of C I will take that A plus B once again. Why? Because A plus B is the C. C is nothing but A plus B. Okay. So why I am taking that 1 plus cos C into, what is this formula? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. It will become that 2 cos A cos B. So it will become that 2 cos A cos B. So that is nothing but 1 plus 2 cos A cos B and cos C. So this is the form. A plus B is equal to C. Then what is that? What is that? Cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C, it will become that 1 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Take this term to the LHS side, what you will get, students? So that is nothing but cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C minus 2 cos A cos B cos C. It will become the 1. It will become the 1 only. Are you understanding that? So otherwise we can substitute that, or take A is equal to 30, B is equal to 60 and C is equal to 90. A plus B is equal to C. We can substitute the answer also. Okay. So see that, do that in that model also. Okay. So see the question number 48. So what is the question number 48 is? So see that question, students. Sine 20 degrees, sine 20, sine 40 degrees, sine 60 and sine 80 degrees, sine 80 degrees. So see that question, students, how to solve this one. So easy question is that. So what I will do that, sine 20, 40, 80. So what is the form? First I will take these three terms, sine 20, sine 40, sine 80 and remaining term is sine 60 degrees. Why I am taking these three terms? It is in the form of sine 20, sine of 60 minus 20, 40 can be written as 60 minus 20, sine 80. Sine 80 is in the form of sine of 60 plus 20. 60 plus 20 into sine 60 degrees. So what is this formula, students? Sine theta, sine 60 minus theta and sine 60 plus theta. It will become that 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. So what it will become? 1 by 4 into sine 3 theta. Theta is nothing but a 20 degrees into sine 60 degrees. So that is nothing but 1 by 4 into sine 60, sine 60 into sine 60 degrees. So that is nothing 1 by 4 into sine 60. Sine 60 is nothing but a root 3 by 2 into sine 60 is nothing but a root 3 by 2. So what it will become that? Root 3 into root 3 is a 3 by 4 into 4. That is nothing but a 16. That is nothing but a 16. So the answer is nothing but option 3 is the answer. So what is the answer, students? Option 3 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students, and practice all these questions, and I will continue in the next class. Okay.